Hi guys, welcome to Matangi Tarot Healing. So, आज का जो मैसेज है बिल्कुल टोटली इंट्यूटिव है, of course. Like in the, I can see, I can sense that I can feel that something changing happening in you, like inside you. I can see some kind of changes in you as a person, as a human being. I'm literally seeing seeing that you are cleansing yourself. You are अ, आप अपने आप को उन चीज़ों से साफ कर रहे हो, उस चीज़ से बाहर निकाल रहे हो जो आपको सर्व नहीं करती है। नाउ यू आर गेटिंग आउट ऑफ ओल्ड योर ओल्ड person, old comfort zone. Your comfort zone is like changing. Yes, places same, people are same, लेकिन but you are changing, as a person you are changing. I can see some kind of cleansing, some kind of energy exchanging, some kind of just surrendering yourself and allowing yourself to heal yourself. I can sense in that, in you, like lot of things of course happening. I can see now you are totally focusing on yourself. मे बी अगर आप भी बैठे हो तो शायद अब भी आप लोग अकेले ही बैठे हो. आई कैन सी दैट दिस टाइम आप लोग सबसे ज्यादा जो वक्त है अपने संग जो है कहते हैं ना, समय बिता रहे हो ज्यादातर. आई कैन सेंस दैट. सो लेट्स सी. ऑफ कोर्स changes happening in for you, in you, of course. So let's see. Maybe you are also feeling it. Hmm. There are a lot of things coming into my mind. या तो आप रात के वक्त इस रीडिंग को देख रहे होंगे, या तो आप कोई अपना काम करते वक्त इस रीडिंग को देख लोगे. आपके आसपास काफी शांति होगी. क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स. आप लोग अकेले ही हो इस वक्त. आई कैन सी. नाउ I think you have give starting time to yourself. I can see also cat. Cat is also very significant. किसी के पास या तो पेट है, या तो किसी कोई स्टेरी कैट को कहते हैं ना, जो स्ट्रीट कैट होते हैं, उनको जो फीड करवाते हो आप लोग. ब्लैक हो सकती है तो वाइट हो सकती है. आप लोग इस वक्त जो है एनिमल से बहुत ज्यादा जो है कनेक्ट हो रहे हो. एनिमल स्पिरिट. And okay, let's see. The Hierophant. स्टार कार्ड खुद ही गिर गया. 1 second. Okay. Justice, Two of Wands, and Ace of Wands. Yes, Two of Pentacles. You are uh, right now like some kind of trying to balance out the things. uh, what changes I'm seeing in you, that uh, आप मुझे इस वक्त बहुत ज्यादा एक प्रेजेंट टाइम में रहते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हो. मुझे आप लोगों का इसलिए चेंजेस नोटिस हो रहा है दैट नाउ यू आर नोटिसिंग द प्रेजेंट थिंग्स, लाइक जो चीजें आप लोगों के सामने हैं, आप उन चीजों पर ज्यादा जो है मुझे ध्यान देते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हो. एंड rather than past and rather than future, आप लोग मुझे सब प्रेजेंट में बहुत ज्यादा जो है रहते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हो. And trying to understand those things, uh, learning those things, try to learn those things and observe those things. You are literally trying to be live in the very present moment, because this present moment is going to help you to change your future, to move on in your life. Because now you have understood that firstly I have to work on myself, uh, doing things another firstly. So now you're working on yourself by being present into the current situation, and also observing the things. I also I'm hearing that now you have really get to understand the pattern. In the past you were not understand the pattern that happening in your life. Now you are able to understand those pattern in your life. So you are like that I will not repeat those conditions, those trauma, those fear. I can sense that now you are uh, trying to deep into the things, not only surface level. Uh, your mindset is very changing. Now you're in that position to find solution of things, not focusing on the problem. Okay, and trying to bring that hope from your positive aspect. Because the past may if something happen, it literally trigger you and make you fearful, and make you stress about future, that what is going to happen if right now is happening. But right now you are not running from the things. Now you are in the being in present situation. You are observing the situation, you are trying to find the solution and the positive solution. You are being very practical, very justiceful with yourself, that I do not need to think negative all the time. That I can also see in you. And and it really helping you to seeing the things in different perspective. And now I'm also seeing this, that uh, you are मुझे बोलने में बहुत पता नहीं क्यों परेशानी हो रही है. लेकिन आई थिंक, because I think that is also happening with you. You are trying to observe the things, but yes, things are very confusing. You don't know how to give them words, how to give them solution, but you are still trying to do. Now I can see, now you are literally not running from those things. You are continuously trying. You are literally into being in the present moment. बिकॉज पहले शायद आप इग्नोर कर दिया करते थे, भाग जाया करते थे, पर नाउ आई कैन सी यू आर लिटरली इनटू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट लिविंग राइट नाउ. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज गुड थिंग यू आर डूइंग विद योरसेल्फ. And I can also see. that the Queen of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Justice, and the Star card. You are really big changes happening with you. You are changing as a person. You are changing. You are giving your best. You are trying to giving your best. You are standing on your ground, and yes, I'm also seeing like being very calm person. You have literally changed right now. You can also sense in yourself. आप अपने पास्ट की तरह नहीं हो अब. आप बहुत ज्यादा मुझे चेंजेस जो आप लोगों में दिखाई दे रहे हैं, और मे बी शायद आपके आसपास जो है आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स जो दे विल ऑल्सो सेंसिंग दैट चेंजेस इन यू. यू आर बिकम वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सन. आई थिंक यू आर बिकमिंग इमोशनली मेच्योर पर्सन. You are right now very deep thinking, doing very deep thinking about yourself, like examining every situation. That what happened with you, your exam now you're like examining every situation right now in your life. If something is bothering you, you used to lose your temper easily, but no, right now you are not. I can see a very lot of changes in you, in yourself right now. जो रूट चक्र आपका बहुत जो स्ट्रांग होता हुआ मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है, हील होता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है आप लोग मुझे. आप लोग एक बहुत ही क्लींजिंग प्रोसेस में हो. नाउ यू आर लाइक आप उन चीजों को लेट गो कर रहे हो जो अब आपको चीजें सर्व नहीं कर रही हैं, जो कि शायद मैंने शुरू रीडिंग की शुरुआत में ही बोल दी थी, और ये भी यही चीज दिखा रहा है. That now you want to be different person. Now you choose to be different person. Because when we choose to do something, after that you start to going happen. Now you choose to be different person. Now you choose to be not to sit in that one position in one particular situation. Now you want to move out of the situation. And the god is also watching you. They are rewarding you for this. And although you are not expecting anything from anywhere, because now you are full focus on yourself. Now you are not expecting anything in return, because you are like, I just want to give time to myself. But you don't know that who is watching you. Okay. um, but universe of course is watching you. They are literally give you praise for your hard work. Now you're literally indulge in yourself like that, that uh, you are universe is also oh my god, कभी मुझे इतने बोलने में परेशानी क्यों हो रही है. Because you are so much into yourself. आप अपने ऊपर इतना ज्यादा आपने ध्यान दिया हुआ है, that maybe you are not noticing that behind the scene it's like this gate are opening for you, path is building for you. रास्ते खुल रहे हैं आप लोगों के. अ, आपके लिए हेल्पिंग हैंड्स भेजे जा रहे हैं. आप लोगों की हेल्प भेजी जा रही है. आप लोग पे रिसोर्सेज जो है भेजे जा रहे हैं. पर राइट नाउ ऑफ कोर्स यू डोंट नो, because you're so much into yourself, you're so much into your healing. You are like thinking that I have to do so much work on myself. I have to do things. You are like you have to figure out so much things, but you don't know that good things are happening, start to happening with you. एंड वो ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. आई कैन सेंस ऑल्सो वो ज्यादा दूर नहीं है, because you are not, you are like very reaching point of your life, because like some is just like like एक चीज बस रह रही है, एक चीज, something you are like you are also clear something like कि बस मुझे एक वो चीज जो समझ में आ गया है, like okay, like I am ready. So yeah, you are not, you are like right on that point. Okay. So yeah, so yeah, yeah, I think this was the all I got for you. I hope it helped you to understand that what is happening with you, and right now what changes are you going through in your life. Okay. Sorry for my fumbleness. Yeah. Of course, take care of yourself. Yeah. Next time हम मिलेंगे. Okay. Bye bye. राधे राधे.